My first quantum leap was in 2020. I went from making $2,600 in September to making $50,000 in sales the following month in October and collecting $30,000 in cash. Since then, I've been able to attract things that I did not even think were possible for me, like hosting my own events, writing best-selling books, speaking on TEDx stages, even getting married to the love of my life. And this was all because I understood what quantum physics is and how to use it to create, honestly, my dream reality. And that is exactly what I'm going to be sharing in today's video, because I have read all of the books on quantum physics, watched all the videos, and at a high level, quantum physics, it actually is kind of hard to understand. But my goal for you today in this video is to break it down in such a simple way so you can actually use it to once again create whatever it is that you want in your life. Now, I'm going to preface by saying I am no expert, nor am I a pro on quantum physics, but just based on everything that I have been able to manifest and attract, I feel like I have grasped the most simplest concepts, and basically, honestly, all you really actually need to know to change your life, because trust me, there's so much that goes into quantum physics and you don't need to know all of like the big high level detailed stuff. You just need to know the simplest things to actually make a real change. So to make sure you fully understand the full context of quantum physics, I'm going to break it down into 3 sections. We're going to first go through what actually is quantum physics. So if you don't know what it is, how it works, I'm going to break down specifically what that looks like. Then we're going to go through how does it work to actually change your reality, because it's one thing to know what quantum physics is, but it's actually all around us. I'm going to show you what that looks like. And then finally, we're going to go through what steps we can take to actually use that to attract our dream life. So let's start with the beginning. What actually is quantum physics? Because once you understand this, you will see it is actually the key to creating your dream life. So I have the definition here of quantum physics. So it's basically how the universe works at the smallest scales. It's the study of subatomic particles, of atoms, and how that is a direct correlation and interaction with matter and energy. Now, the reason why this actually matters so much, because everything around us is made up of matter and energy. So if we understand how we can actually control what is around us to once again use it to our advantage, that's how we can jump realities to get what it is that we want. Now, I made you guys a few diagrams to really understand how quantum physics works, once again, at like a subatomic level. So I am going to pull up my iPad to show you guys these diagrams and to show you these drawings, because when I first learned about quantum physics, once again, it was easier for me to understand when I could visually see them. So this is first a diagram of showing you how quantum physics is once again all around us and how it works. So over here, we have subatomic particles. Now, all of these small little particles, they are made up of atoms, and atoms, they're made up of electrons, protons, and neutrons. Now, these electrons, they're actually not solid until they are observed. So before they're observed, they're just waves of possibility. So over here, you guys can see these are just waves, waves, and waves. Now, we are the actual observer of what we actually want to create in our life. So what this says over here is the moment we observe a specific particle, the waves, all of these different waves, they collapse into one specific location and one specific creation. So right now, this over here, it's my phone. But over here, if I'm not looking at it right now, just a wave of possibility. The minute I look over and I actually observe this as a phone, all of the different waves, they basically collapse into this phone and into this specific location with me right now. Now, to the observer, we never really see the wave-like possibilities. To us, it's just like the particle is the matter, the object. It was there all along. But once again, the only reason we see it is because we observe it. So the first takeaway I really want you to understand is all electrons, aka possibilities, exist at once until we observe it. So every single thing that you want in your life, they're all just tiny little subatomic particles that are floating around with waves of possibility. But the minute we observe something that we want, that's when it collapses and we actually materialize the matter and the thing that we actually want. So another example to really understand this is think about Netflix. There are so many different TV shows, there's different movies, and everything is stored in that library. But the thing is, nothing actually plays until you click on it, until you observe it. That's a lot how electrons work. Nothing is actually real until you observe that specific thing, and then it manifests into physical reality. Now, this is like the simple understanding of quantum physics, but trust me, there is so much more that I can share in so many small like nuances, and there are probably a lot more videos I'm going to be creating about quantum physics. So if you don't want to miss them, make sure to subscribe. So now that we understand quantum physics, this is where my mind actually got blown away. Because if every possibility of us already exists, the version where we're healthy, we're wealthy, we're rich, we're abundant, we have all the love and we have all the relationships, then how do we, the observer, actually decide what becomes true in our life? That's the second thing I want to go through is how does quantum physics work to change our reality? So for this next diagram, I'm going to draw it out a little bit just to really show you how quantum physics works in correlation with our reality. So once again, over here, we have all of our subatomic particles. Now, these particles, they do not actually respond to effort. So all the effort that we're putting in terms of like actions, they don't just respond to that. What they mainly respond to is the alignment that we are giving off. Because remember, these subatomic particles, they are responding to you. They're responding to the observer. And the reason why they respond to alignment, not just effort, is because these particles, once again, they're made up of energy. So since they are responding to you, you're always sending out a signal based on your vibration. So this is a signal that you're sending out, and you are always in a different frequency and in a different vibration. Now, your frequency of what you're actually sending out is made up of emotions, thoughts, and feelings. Now, a lot of the time in the 3D, we are looking at physical matter and we are responding based on the matter that we're seeing. So it's actually opposite of what I have written down, but in quantum physics and truly how reality works is everything around us is responding based on our signal. So this is what we're vibrating out. And that is what is actually creating, once again, physical matter and physical space taking up in our life. So these subatomic particles, they're basically a mirror back to what it is that you're giving off. So that's why people always say like law of attraction, what you think about is what you attract. Law of assumption, what you believe to be true is what is actually true for you. This is why. It's not just because it's like woo-woo, it's actually scientifically true. So the main takeaway that I want you to understand here is you're always attracting the particles in the same frequency as you. Okay, and this is really crucial, and this is what actually allowed me to once again jump from making $2,600 in September to reaching $50,000 the very next month. It wasn't necessarily just the once again effort I was putting in. It was more so the frequency and the alignment that I got into. Now, this next diagram that I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna draw it out. Kind of do both, because trust me, drawing and talking at the same time, it's a little bit difficult, but I'm going to show you specifically what happened that really allowed me to leap. So for this example, I drew out a football field. Now I want you to imagine this football field as the quantum field. And on this field, there's a lot of different possibilities and a lot of different experiences basically happening at the same time. Now, back in 2020, I was over here in September where I was making $2,600 a month. Now, of course, my goal was probably way over here at $50,000. Now, typically, it takes quote unquote time to get to $2,600 to $50,000. And usually in between, you have to go through making $10,000, and then you have to go through making $20,000. So to get to here, to here, to here, once again, that takes, let me just change this, that takes time. But since we know all waves of possibility are existing at once, so if we look at this once again from a top view, we can see all of the different possibilities of me making $2,600, of me making $10,000, of me making $20,000, of me making $50,000. They're all actually happening at the exact same time. But remember what we learned about how electrons and these subatomic particles work. They are only localized, once again, they're localized at a specific point. But when we start to observe something new, we actually we make this jump, this turns into a jump, and we close the gap between over here and over here because it doesn't take quote unquote time for us to get that thing. It takes alignment. So honestly, me being over here, this is me actually just like expanding my consciousness a bit out further for me to not just experience $10,000 or for me to experience $20,000. I actually get to experience $50,000 because I chose to vibrate at the same frequency as the electrons and as the particles. Because once again, it's not whether or not I'm gonna get $50,000. That's already a possibility. Everything already exists. But the fact that I get to tune into that, I basically become the football field because I get to experience everything at once. And when I first learned this, it was crazy because truly the gap between 2,600 to 50,000, it just vanishes and it disappears. So the key thing I want you to take away here is if we can expand our consciousness to once again become the football field up here, we can experience everything at once, and it doesn't necessarily need to take time, like the logical timeline of us first getting to this point, then eventually getting this point. We don't have to go there. We can actually just jump to the point of where we want to be. So I really hope that helped you understand how quantum physics works, but we're not done yet. We still have a very important question. And oh, I forgot to add here in my notes, I just said like we're taught to chase, but everything you want already exists in the field. Once again, on that field, it's waiting for your signal. And when those electrons are waiting for your signal, they start to attract and come to you. Okay, so the last part, which is probably the most important part, so you can actually use everything that I shared with you here today, is what steps can we take to attract and leap into our dream life? So first of all, clear your mind to send out a stronger signal. Now, a lot of times people will ask me, so consciously, like I might tell myself, yes, I want to be rich and I want to be healthy and I made the decision to do so, but why do I not see the shift right now in my reality? And the reason why is because 95% of your decisions of your being is actually subconscious. So the subatomic particles, the electrons, the waves of possibility, they're not just responding to your conscious thought, they're mainly responding to your subconscious. So that's where brain coherence really strengthens the frequency that you're sending out. And different ways to do this is through meditating, visualizing, journaling. And that's why I always preach doing that, because when you can quiet your mind and you're not thinking about a million things at once, that's when you can actually get clear on what it is that you want, but you can start to attract those things to you. Now, the second part of this is shift your vibration, not the effort that you're putting in. And I have an asterisk near effort because you still need to take action. We live in a 3D world where you have to take action to get certain things, but it's all about the feeling behind the action. So if you're taking action out of lack, out of scarcity, out of trying to control a specific thing, once again, you're not in alignment with what it is that you're trying to attract. To shift your vibration, you want to tap into the frequency, the feelings, the thoughts, and emotions of already having that thing. That is how, once again, you pull it from the field. You're not chasing, you're not running down the football field to get to your goal. You're actually attracting it to you because, once again, and I'm going to sound like a broken record, electrons, they are responding to you. You are not responding to them. You are not chasing them. You are attracting them to you. So shift the vibration, shift the frequency, and that is how you start to actually become a magnet. Now, this is a fun one. You want to start to watch for signs and coincidences. This actually happened to me multiple times. Like when I made a decision of wanting something and I really tapped into the frequency, I would always think to myself, like, oh my gosh, this is such a coincidence that this person reached out to me. Or like, oh my gosh, this happened at the perfect time. This is not actually a coincidence. This is the signal that I'm sending out, being basically a mirror back to me. And this is what people call kind of like the unfolding of your manifestation. When you start to see different things happening, you see the person reach out, you see the post blowing up, you see all of the yellow cars on the road. It's not a coincidence. That's basically how you can tell like the manifestation and the thing that you're trying to attract to you is actually on its way to you. And then the last thing on this side, detach from 3D speed. I always love to say like matter feels slow, but in the quantum 5D, thoughts move at like the speed of light. You want to keep in mind once again, matter, it's really like physical, it's dense. It's very, very dense. Therefore, it takes time for electrons, people, opportunities to rearrange itself to once again bring that to you. The lag and the gap, it's just the time it's taking to catch up with the energy and with the signal that you already put out. So once again, the football field example, it took me 30 days to go from making $2,600 to $50,000. Other people may have done it in a day or in a week. So time, once again, it does not matter. You can get it instantly or it can take a little bit more time. That's why I always say, do not focus on the time, because once you make a decision, it's already done. You just have to be patient because there is a little bit of a gap. You don't chase your dream life, you align with it. Me jumping from 2,600 to 50,000, me going from shy to speaking on stages, me from like hating writing to writing a best-selling book, that did not happen by luck, and that definitely did not happen by coincidence. It happened because I aligned myself and I sent out the right frequency, the right signal to attract all of those things to me. And trust me, if I can do it, you can do it too. So let me know in the comments if this helped. Once again, this was a very high level topic, but hopefully I made it really simple for you to understand. Plus, if you haven't watched this video, make sure to watch it next. That's all for today's video. I will see you guys back here next week for next week's episode. And until then, make sure that you stay unforgettable.